How to transfer USDT from tonkeeper to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer USDT from your tonkeeper account to your Binance account, which is quite simple. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download both the application in your mobile device, because it is a lot more easier when you have the application downloaded in your device already. So just simply go to the search bar over here and search for tonkeeper and install the application in your device. As you can see that I have already installed the tonkeeper wallet in my device already. So just simply click on open and open the app, and as soon as you open the application you will be able to see this kind of interface where you can see receive, send and other options. So on this page, as you can see that since you want to send the USDT from your tonkeeper wallet to your Binance account, just simply tap on send over here. Now in order to transfer the USDT, you need to open your Binance account, and from there you need to copy the USDT address where you want to receive the USDT from your tonkeeper account to your Binance account, and paste it right here in the recipient section, and just enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer from your tonkeeper to Binance and click on continue. And yeah, this is how simple it is to transfer your USDT from your tonkeeper to your Binance account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.